You are going to love the 2021 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, ambient lighting. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.